So a lot of people think AI is going to take their job. I believe the opposite is true if you learn AI. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to give you back the hours you keep losing to the busy work, the scheduling, the reminders, the follow ups, the stuff that fills your day but never moves your life. Here's what changed for me. I stopped using AI like a search engine and I started using it like a team, one that remembers my goals, tracks my health, writes my first drafts, runs my morning before I'm even awake. I'm not a program, I'm a regular person who got tired of being the bottleneck in my own life. So I built the system and now I teach it. If you've ever felt like there aren't enough hours in the day, you're in the right place. Subscribe and I'll show you how to build your own. Let's get to work.